Unraveling the news recap. Enhance your English comprehension. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used term in the media world, news recap. Understanding this concept is not only helpful for staying updated but also enriches your English vocabulary and listening skills. So, let's get started and discover what news recap really means and how you can use it effectively in your daily English conversations. Recap is a short form of the word recapitulation, which means to go over the main points of something, usually in a concise and summarized form. When we talk about a news recap, we are referring to a brief summary that covers the essential news stories that have been reported over a certain period, be it a day, a week, or even a month. The purpose of a news recap is to provide viewers or readers with a quick rundown of the most important or interesting events without going into the full details that a complete news story would entail. It's like getting the highlights of a football match instead of watching the full 90 minutes. News recaps serve several important functions in today's fast-paced world. First, they help people stay informed without investing a lot of time. In a world where information is plentiful but time is scarce, a recap allows you to catch up on the day's events quickly. Secondly, they focus on the key points, filtering out less important details, which is especially useful for English language learners who might find lengthy articles or news segments overwhelming due to language complexity. Incorporating news recap into your vocabulary can be incredibly useful. Here are some examples of how you might use this phrase. I missed the broadcast last night, so I watched a news recap this morning. Can you give me a news recap of what happened while I was on vacation? The morning show always starts with a 5-minute news recap of the top stories. Notice how the phrase can be modified to fit different contexts. Whether you're asking someone for a summary or referring to a specific type of media that provides these summaries. For English learners, understanding news recaps can be a bit challenging at first due to the fast pace and use of varied vocabulary. Here are some tips to help you out. Listen to news recaps regularly to get used to the pace and pronunciation. Watch recaps with subtitles or transcripts when available to reinforce reading and listening skills simultaneously. Pause and rewind when necessary to fully grasp the information being presented. Practice giving your own news recap to a friend about a recent news story to improve your speaking and summarizing skills. I hope this video has helped clarify what news recap means and how you can benefit from this useful phrase. Remember, regular practice is key to improving your English, and incorporating new phrases like news recap into your daily routine can be a fun and informative way to do just that. Keep watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and happy learning!